So I hope you guys are all excited. Hello Bharat. Hello Naveen Reddy. Dharam Dio Thakur. Welcome. So nice to see all of you here. Welcome. And today we are going to discuss shift number 2. And I'm going to start off with the math session. So guys, how many of you are excited? How many of you did well? Did it go well or did it go bad? Let me know in the chat, guys, quickly. Hello Barney. Welcome, man. Yes, Saurav Saji, welcome. Everybody, I want you guys to let me know quickly how your exam went. So Barney is saying, sir, it did not go well. Saurav says it was easy. So it was a mixed opinion, I guess. Some people are saying it's too easy. Some people are saying it's difficult. So no worries, guys. Now that it's done, don't worry too much about it. Focus on what lies in front. Go for your next attempt with full vigor. So this session is just to ensure you know what mistakes you made and you correct them. Okay. So this is the paper discussion, shift 2. Let us get started with the math paper. And in case you guys are not aware of who I am, then here we go. Guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach math at Vedantu. To talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and after that I got into teaching. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, mentoring more than 10,000 lovely kids like you. And if you guys want to know more about me, if you want to be my friend, if you want to, be in touch with me, then you can follow me on Instagram. And like you guys, I also prepared for KVPY, I cleared it. I prepared for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and I cleared it. Okay, so that is a quick introduction. Let us get into it and solve the paper because I know you guys are all very curious to know. Sriram says moderate. So guys, I have only 10 questions with me right now. I'm going to discuss that and maybe next Shreyas Sir will continue. Let's get started, people. Did you all hit the subscribe button? Everybody, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe because I want to see you again. Okay, I am not going to let go of you guys because I know with our expertise and your hard work, we both can be a strong team. And guys, you have to place that trust on us and I'm sure we will have a fantastic time. Ankur, because of the discussion, it is postponed. I hope you are aware of it. So let us get started, people. Everybody do hit the like button, break it, and do hit the subscribe button. Share it to your friends. Let them know we are getting started. Because this is a very quick start. I hope you guys know that. Some of you didn't even reach your house, but we started before you came. So that is Vedantu, that is the effort we take. So I hope you guys realize that. Let us get into it, guys. Are you all ready? Everybody, are you all ready for the math part? Yes? Can I see some fire in the chat? Can I see some fire in the chat? Hello, Fatima, Shravani, Yashwan, Mr. Best, Naveen, Dheeraj. You guys are fantastic, man. You guys are so energetic and I'm so happy to be here discussing this particular shift with all of you. Hello, Mukul. What happened, man? Come on. So guys, let's get started with the very first question of today's paper that I have. So this was a limit of a sum. So whenever you have a limit of a sum, you can convert it to a definite integral. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. But before you go and solve it, you need to first understand how you write it as a summation. So guys, this first term can be written as n by n square. So I can write it as sigma n by n plus r the whole square, where r starts from 0 and goes all the way up to n minus 1. Is that clear? So that is my summation and I have limit n tending to infinity. And I told you guys how to do it. Whenever you have limit of a sum, 1 by n will become dx and r by n will become x. I told you this. So what I'll do is, I will take n square from the denominator. So if I take n square common from the denominator, I will be left out with 1 plus r by n the whole square. So 1n and 1n will get cancelled out. So that will become, sigma will become integral. R0 means lower limit is 0. Rn means upper limit is 1. Because r by n is my variable. So n by n will be 1 only, na? So that is my upper limit. And this will be what? 1 by 1 plus x whole square. And 1 by n will become dx. So this is my answer. Laddu. That is my answer. Can you believe how easy it became? Everybody clear with it? Such a simple integral it has become. Are you all able to observe that? Isn't that fantastic, my dear kids? I hope you guys are all clear and you guys are all excited about it. So now we will complete it. How do you integrate this? So this is going to be 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by minus 1, and I'll put from 0 to 1. So what is going to be the upper limit? It will be minus 1 by 2. It will be plus 1 by 1. So the answer is 1 by 2, which is option A. Did you all get that correct? Yes, Mavish. Mavish is absolutely right. Very good, Mavish. That's fantastic. Jayadeep is right. Ravi, very good, Ravi. So how many of you got plus 4? How many of you got minus 1? And how many of you got 0? Please let me know. Hit the chat, guys, everybody. So Sai Bhargav says he didn't attempt it, so he gets a 0. What about the others? Somanad is getting plus 4. Great. Aishwarya also has left it. Okay, a lot of people have left it, I guess. Now I'm getting some 4s. Fantastic, guys. Hari Muthu has gone wrong. No problem, guys. Now let us move forward. Everybody clear? So shall I move forward? Great. So let us go ahead to the next question, which is right on your screen over here. Please let me know, guys. So this was a repeated question. So this was a JEE Advanced 2011 question. 2011 JEE Advanced, and I think 2014 JEE Mains. 2014 JEE Mains. It is a repeat question. Okay, it has repeated already twice. This is the third time it's coming. This is the third time it's coming in an exam. Okay, this is a third time. This is a third time it is coming in an exam. Okay, I think 2018 also. Okay, I don't know how many times they have repeated this. This has been repeated plenty of times. So what is A10? A10 is equal to alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. What is A8? A8 is equal to alpha power 8 minus beta power 8. And now alpha and beta are the roots of this. So can I say alpha square minus 2 is equal to 6 alpha? And we also know beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. So now when I plug it back here, what is 2A8? 2A8 is twice of this. Now what is A10 minus 2A8? A10 minus 2A8 is equal to alpha power 10 minus 2 alpha power 8 plus beta power, minus, right? So minus beta power 8. Should I take minus or plus? So that will be minus beta power 8 into beta square minus 2. So that will be it. Now I can write it as alpha power 8 into alpha square minus 2, which will be 6 alpha, minus beta power 8 into beta square minus 2, which will be 6 beta. So what will that be? This will be how much? 6 times of alpha power 9 minus 6 times of beta power 9. Now I have to divide by 2a9. What is 2a9? 2a9 is nothing but 2 times of alpha power 9 minus 2 times of beta power 9. So this, when I divide over here, what will I get? I will get the answer to be 3. So 3 is the answer for this question. I hope you guys got it. So if you have 3 niche, then the answer is 2. If you have 3 in the denominator, then the answer is 2. If you have 2 in the denominator, then the answer is 3. As simple as that. So I think your shift 2 is the answer, because people are saying 3 was there. So since 3 was there, the answer is 2. The answer is 2 in the original exam. The answer is 2 in the exam. Okay. If you got 2, you get plus 4. How many of you got plus 4? Can you guys let me know? Can you guys let me know? Karthik Ray, Veera, Bharani, very good. Yashwant, fantastic, guys. You guys are brilliant. You guys are brilliant. Okay, Somanad, very good. Very good, Aishwarya. I'm so happy that you have got it. Sanjay, Nivendra Sharma, Gopala Joshi, Lakshmi. Great. Reshma, fantastic, guys. You guys are amazing. And now let us move forward to the next question. But before that, guys, in case somebody has a problem, if you feel down, sir, I didn't do well, I feel totally down, I am not happy, then do reach out to me in Instagram. I will help you out. So guys, this is my Instagram ID. This is my personal account. I do help all my students out here. In case you are someone who needs to talk to me, you can reach out to me over here. Got it? Now coming to this question. What is the question? Here 1, alpha and beta are given to be real numbers. They should be. Okay, this is something I got from my student. I think Barney was the one who gave me this question. Okay, so I think alpha beta belongs to real numbers. So what can I say over here? I can say that since the coefficients are real, imaginary roots will occur in what? Will occur in pairs. If their imaginary roots occur in pairs, that means what? 1 plus 2i is the other root. Laddu. Is it clear, everybody? So the answer is 1 plus 2i. 1 minus 2i are the roots. So what is alpha? Minus alpha is sum of the roots, which is equal to 2. So alpha is equal to minus 2. What is product of the roots? Product of the roots is beta, which is equal to 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i. So that will be equal to how much? Beta is equal to 1 square minus 2i whole square, which will be 5. So beta is 5, alpha is minus 2. So the answer is minus 2 minus 5, which is minus 7. So minus 7, my dear students, is the right answer for this question. Okay, very good Mavish, very good SL. You guys are all absolutely correct. So if you got minus 7, my dear, you got it correct. Okay, if you got anything else, then you're wrong. I hope the question is correct. If the question is wrong, then I'm not sure, guys. For this question, I have solved it right. I hope you guys are clear. Manideep, please pull the video back. If you want me to repeat, please do that. No problem. Reshma Anjali. Great. So guys, are you all excited? Did you all like the discussion so far? I hope it's going positive, because till now, from what I've seen, I have seen many +4s, and I'm so happy that most of you guys are able to get such great scores. That shows you guys are very hardworking, and that is a fantastic attitude, guys. Why do I say that? Because the next attempt, it will be fire. The next attempt will be fire, because I know you guys will nail it. Okay, so let us move forward to the next question, guys. I hope you are all ready. Let us move ahead to the next question which I have for you right on your screen. So this is a fantastic question. What do we have here? The answer is 64. Did you guys get 64? How many legends? How many ultra legends have got 64? Kill the chat box. Come on, guys. How many ultra legends have got 64 as the answer? If you got 64, raise your hand. Show some fire. Okay. Exactly. Very good. Very good. Brilliant. So if it is 2 times, then the answer is 64. Somebody is saying 5 times. Is it 5 times or 2 times? Barani, is it 5 times or 2 times? If it is 2 times, the answer is 64. If it is 2 times, the answer is 64. Okay. I'm not sure about the question, guys. For what question I have here, I have solved it correctly. It will be 64. Oh, Ram Samat is saying it's 5R3. Okay, 2R2 plus 5R3. Is it? Is it 2R2 plus 5R3? Is that what you're saying? Okay, I think that is the question. Ram, is that correct? Okay. Perfect. Now let me show you how it is done. So first of all, we have 2A. So first of all, I'll take A to be what? A to be A11, A12, A13. Let's go by basics so that everybody follows. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is my det A. Now I want 2A. So 2A will be what? 2A will be 2A11, 2A22, 2A12, right? 12, 2A13, and then you have 2A21, 2A22, 2A23, and then we have 2A31, 2A32, 2A33. So now what I'll do, I will add 2 times of R2. 2 times of R2 means what? It will become 4. It will become 4A21 plus 10A31. Here it will be 4A22 plus 10A32. 4A33 plus 10A33. Is that correct? 4A23. Is that correct, people? Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Answer will still be 64. Yes, you are right, my dear. You are absolutely right. Because, guys, I can split this as 2 determinants. I will split it and show it to you. Please listen. It's a fantastic question. So I can split it as what? I can split it as what? I can split this as Det of 2a11, 2a12, 2a13. I'll have 4a21, I'll have 4a22, I'll have 4a23, I'll have 2a31, I'll have 2a32, I'll have 2a33 plus. Now this row I will split it, because when two rows are constant and one row is expressed as a sum, I can split it, right? So the first row and second row will remain, the third row will remain the same, and the middle row will be 10a31, it will be 10a32, and it will be 10a33. Now this determinant will be under. This determinant will be 0. Why? Because the next row is what? 2a31, 2a32 and 2a33. So these two are proportional. Whenever you are proportional, the value of determinant is 0. Did you all understand that? Did you all understand that? Everybody, whenever you have two rows proportional, the value of determinant is 0, na? Everybody clear? So I will remove this. Now the answer comes from here. So I will take 2 common from first row, 4 common from second row, and 2 common from third row, and I will be left out with det of A. So the answer is 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into det A is 4. The answer is 64, my dear. If you got 64, you are right, else you are wrong. That's it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Pratap Reddy, 5 times of R3. R3 is twice of A, third row. So twice of A third row means 2A31, 2A32, 2A33. So for that I am multiplying by 5. That's why it becomes 10A31. Understood? Everybody clear with this? This is the way you do it. I hope you guys are all clear. Everybody. Fantastic guys. Fantastic. Shreyas, I am so sorry man, we couldn't cover it. Don't worry, before March attempt, the Enthuse team will take care of you completely. That is my guarantee to you guys. Okay, so let us move forward, my kids. Everybody, let us move to the next question. This one, I hope you guys are clear. Hari Preetham, no problem, you will do well. You will do well. So what is the answer for this? Anybody? Anybody? Come on guys, my ninjas. What do you think is the answer? Very good, Veera. New games, don't worry, you will do well. Thank you, Vaibhav. That is so sweet of you, man. Opinion on today's paper. Sharath, I didn't see all the questions, Sharath. I have just picked 10 questions and come. I think those 10 questions were actually easy. Okay, so the 10 questions which I have picked are very moderate. They are not very difficult. Okay. So shall I solve this question, everybody? Are you all clear with this? So let us try to solve it, my dear students. Everybody listen. So what do I have? What is cot inverse of minus 1? Anybody? What is cot inverse of minus 1? It will be, you tell me, 3 pi by 4. Is that correct? It will be 3 pi by 4. So it will be 2 into 3 pi by 4 plus cos inverse of minus 4 by 5. Is that right, my dear? Is that right, my dear, everybody? So the answer is going to be what? The answer is going to be, so cosecant of 3 pi by 2 plus theta will be what? Cosecant of 3 pi by 2 plus theta will be minus secant theta, right? So minus secant of cos inverse of minus 4 by 5. Are you all clear with it, everybody? Did you all understand that? All of you clear with it? So it is cot inverse of 5, is it? Is it cot inverse of 5? Okay, people are saying that the question is wrong. So I think the question I have to change it. So guys, what is the question? Cosecant of, what do we have here? 2 cot inverse of, is it 5? Is it 5? Is this correct? Plus cos inverse of 4 by 5. Is that right? Is this what you are saying? Is this what we are saying? Everybody? Yes? Everybody? Yes? Everybody? Okay, fantastic. So guys, then we will shift it to tan. We will shift it to tan. So I can write it as tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of, I can write this as what? So you can write it as 3 by 4. Is that correct, people? Everybody? Can I write it like this and then solve it? Now it is very simple, na? So try to do these two first and then these two. So do it and tell me the answer. Come on guys, everybody. So you'll have what? Cosecant of tan inverse of 1 by root 5 plus 1 by root 5. What will you get? Tan inverse of 2 by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 25. So it will be 24 by 25. So that will be equal to how much? That will be equal to 5 by 12. So is that correct guys? Is it 5 by 12? Plus you'll have tan inverse of 3 by 4. Now you need to add these two and get the answer. Let us try to complete it, my dear students, everybody. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Guys, you have cos inverse of 4 by 5 as theta, right? So can I say cos theta is equal to 4 by 5? So the triangle will be what? This is 4, this is 5, this is 3, na? So tan inverse will be 3 by 4. What is the problem, guys? Come on, these are all basics. Okay, are you all clear? So that is how you do it. Now it will be what? Cosecant of tan inverse of 5 by 12 plus 3 by 4, which will be what? Tan inverse of 5 by 12 plus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 15 by 48. Is that correct, guys? Did you all get that? Can you all complete it? Yes, everybody. Are you all fine with this? You guys can complete it after this, right? Okay, great. So that is how you solve it, my dear students. I hope you guys are clear. Yes, 5 only I have put, man. 5 only I have put. I have put 5 here. I have put plus here. For this, that will be the answer. Try to complete it and finish it off. It is an easy question, maybe a bit calculative. That's all I can see over here. But otherwise, it's fine, guys. So it will be 20 plus 36, 56. 56 by 45 by 33. So it is tan inverse of 56 by 33, cosecant of that. So I need to express it as cosecant inverse. So I have 56 and 33. So guys, can you get me what is cosecant theta? What will be this value? Can you get me that? Is it 65? Is it 65? Can you please confirm it? So if it is 65, then it's a great value, because the answer comes out to be cosecant inverse of, you will get 65 by 56. So that will be 65 by 56. That will be the answer. Okay. So 65 by 56 is the answer. How many of you got this correct? Everybody, can you all raise your hands? Let me know in the chat, guys. Hit the fire button and let me know if you guys have enjoyed it. Did you all like it? Very good, Aishwarya. Very good, Somanat, Shruti, Vasanta. You guys are fantastic. Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic people. That is exactly what I expected from all of you. You guys have nailed it. That is absolutely right. So if you are all clear with this, let's move forward. So this is the next question. Again, a typical JEE question. Okay. So here, what is the hint? You add these two. What will you get? You will get 1 by 20 plus 39 by 20 is always 2. Then you will get 2 by 20 plus 38 by 20 is also equal to 2. So if I take f of x, I want to understand what is f of 2 minus x. So what is f of 2 minus x? It is 5 to the power 2 minus x divided by 5 to the power 2 minus x plus 5. So if you do that, what will you get? Can you get something out of this, everybody? What will I get from here? Any idea? So I will get it to be 5 to the power 2, 25 by 5 to the power x by 25 by 5 to the power x plus 5 into 5 to the power x. So 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x cancels. So it will be 5 divided by 5 plus 5 to the power x. Okay. So can I say f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1? Can I say f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1? Because if I add this and this, I will get 1, my dear students. I will get 1, my dear students. Okay. Yes, Shriram. That's why the answer is 2. For 3a to the power 9, the answer is 2, Shriram. Don't worry about it. Okay. So guys, are you all clear with it? Everybody? Yes. Fantastic, fantastic guys. Absolutely correct. Now, let us try to write it down. So I have what? I have f of x. Okay, let me go to the previous slide. I have f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1. So this plus this is 1. So like that, I will have how many ones? I will have totally 19 ones. I'll have 19 ones. Okay. But there'll be one term without a pair. So that will give me half. Is that correct? Because the middle term will be how much? Any idea? What will be the middlemost number? What will be the middlemost number? It will be f of 1, right? F of 1, which is f of 20 by 20. That is the middlemost number which will be left out because you have odd number of terms, right? When you have odd number of terms and you are pairing up, you will be left out with one single middle term. That single middle term is nothing but f of 1. And what is f of 1? F of 1, my dear students, is nothing but 5 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 1 plus 5, which is equal to half. So f of 1 will be left out. That is what is half here. So answer is 19 plus half. That is 39 by 2. So 39 by 2 is the correct answer. If you got it, you are right. If you did not, you are not right. That's it. Are you all clear with it? Guys, the answer is not 20. The answer is 39 by 2. The answer is not 20. It is 39 by 2. Why did we take f of 2 minus x? Because this is, if I take this as x Joel, this is 2 minus x. So like that, every term has a counterpart which is 2 minus x. So that gives me the idea. That gives me the idea. Are you all clear? Everybody? Did you all get it? Everybody? Let me know in the chat box, guys. Come on. I want answers from each and every person. Let me know if you guys have understood it. Fantastic, fantastic. Rohit, yes Rohit, I will repeat it. So what I did here was I wrote first f of x and f of 2 minus x. Because Rohit, if you look at 1 by 20, 1 by 20 is equal to 2 minus 39 by 20. Is that correct? So similarly, 2 by 20 is equal to 1 minus 38 by 20. So like that, I'm sorry, 2 minus. So like that, any x can be written as 2 minus x for this combination, right? So I want to find the relation between f of x and f of 2 minus x. So when I find the relation, I get f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1. So if I combine every pair like this, I will get sum 1 for each pair. So like that, I have 19 pairs and one middle term because I have odd number of terms, right? So I'll get 19 pairs which will give me 1 as the answer. I will get 19 pairs which will give me 1 as the answer. So here x belongs to 1 to 19. Okay. So now 1 to 19 means 1 to 19. Okay. And then the last term will be f of 20 by 20. So this is your left out term because that's the middle term. So this will be 1. So if this is 1, the answer is 19 into 1 plus 1 by 2. And that's how I got 39 by 2. So guys, did you all get it? How many of you wrote 20? How many of you wrote 20? I think many of you wrote 20, right? That's the mistake you did. I think everybody wrote 20. Can you guys raise your hand? How many of you wrote 20? How many of you wrote 20? Mavish has wrote 20. Many people, many people. Okay. Some people wrote 19 by 2. Okay, great. So fantastic people. Shruti also wrote 20. Okay, Shruti, very close. But Shruti, you will not be given marks because that is a trap answer. That is a trap answer. 19 by 2 is also wrong because you have 39 terms. So it is 19 into 1 plus 1 by 2. Got it? Everybody, great. So let us move forward to the next question. Here we go. People, please try to solve it. Everybody, no Arpit. Arpit, it has odd number of terms. Please look at it, Arpit. Since it has odd number of terms, there will be only one middle term. And that middle term's value is 1. Very good. I am so happy you guys have understood it. It is one of my favorite methods, AMGM inequality. And you guys have seen me solve hundreds of questions in this channel. Is it not? I have solved so many questions in this channel. I told you the hint also. Isn't that right, guys? Very good, Bharani. So many of my students have got it right. I am so happy because we discussed this extensively. Okay, perfect. So let's try to solve it, my dear. So what do we have here? We have AMGM inequality because this is positive, and we are asking minimum value of a sum. What is the hint? Positive numbers and minimum value of sum. That is the hint for AMGM inequality. Okay, so both the hints are there, so I will use it. What is the AMGM inequality? Sum of both the terms divided by 2, that is your AM, will be greater than or equal to your GM. What is your GM? Your GM is nothing but product of both of them. So it is a to the power ax into a to the power 1 by a to the power ax whole raised to the power 1 by 2. So these two will cancel out. So the answer is a to the power ax plus a to the power 1 minus ax is greater than or equal to twice of, this will be root of a. So the answer is 2 root a, which is option B. I hope you guys are clear. Everybody, all of you clear with it? Fantastic guys, fantastic. Ramuji, this is the shortcut, man. This is the easiest way to solve it. I hope you liked it. This is the fantastic shortcut which I want you all to remember. Okay, very good Shreyansh, very good Konakshi, Dhanush. Fantastic. Yes, Arpit, I was there in the JEE channel, man. Okay, so let us move forward. Shriram, it doesn't matter, Shriram. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Shriram is saying that it is a to the power x. It doesn't matter. It will still be cancelled out. Okay. It will still be cancelled out, man. So don't worry about it. Got it? So let us move forward to the next question. I hope everybody is clear. The answer is option B. Okay. So Elizabeth, you use AMGM inequality whenever you are asked to find the minimum value of a sum and you are given that the numbers are positive. If your numbers are positive and if you are asked to find out the minimum value of a sum, you need to use AMGM inequality. Okay. How many of you got plus 4? How many of you got plus 4? Come on guys, hit the chat. Did anybody get plus 4? I want to see all your results because I am so excited to see my marks of students. Sakshi, of course Sakshi, I will solve the JEE Advanced paper also when the time comes. But for now, JEE Mains is what I'm going to help you with. Okay, so let us go ahead guys to the next question, which is over here. This was a fantastic question. I hope the question is correct. Guys, is the question correct? Is the question correct, everybody? Yes, I hope the question is correct. Can you all please let me know? Yes. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. Guys, what are you doing? Swapna says no and all the others are saying yes. So I think the question is correct. But guys, this is a nice question. This is a nice question. Okay. So let us try to solve it. I will try to do it for you. Please listen carefully. Okay. Please listen carefully. Some people have got it. Some people have not got it. So it doesn't matter. I will do it anyway. So guys, please listen carefully. Everybody. So first of all, how will you take care of this question? So I will write it as limit x tending to 0. I have a to the power ax, right? I have ax minus e to the power 4x plus 1 divided by ax into, I will do 1 by e to the power 4x minus 1. So I will multiply by 4x, I will divide by 4x. So this will be 1. This will be 1. Okay. So this is what I have here now. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Everybody is clear with it? This is the first step which I have done. Very good. Answer is 5. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope this is a very easy limit. So I can remove this. This is going to be 1. So now this is what I need to solve, my dear students. So how will I solve this? Let's all have a look at it. I will use L'Hopital because if I put 0, I will get 0 by 0. So I can use L'Hopital, differentiated. You will get a minus 4 times of e to the power 4x divided by, I will get 8 times of ax. So that is your limit, and it's a finite limit because this is a finite number. So this is equal to b as your limit x tends to a, x tends to 0. So denominator tends to 0. That means my numerator also should tend to 0. That means a minus 4 e to the power 0 should also be 0. That means a should be equal to 4. Is that correct? Is that correct? A should be equal to 4. So if a is equal to 4, what will I get? I will get 4 into 1 minus e to the power 4x divided by 32x, and x tends to 0, right? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Please let me know if you have a doubt. Yes. So that's about it now. So this I will take 8, and now this 8 I will write it as 2 into 4. Now I will multiply by minus and I will multiply by minus. This is 1. So this is equal to minus half. So the value of B is minus half. So that is my limit. So what is the answer? A minus 2B. So 4 minus 2 times of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5, my dear. So 5 is the answer for this question. It is a fantastic question. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody clear with it? Everybody clear with it? Did you all like this question? It was a very, very good one. Okay. So shall we move forward? I used L hospital rule only. Aishwarya, I did use the L hospital rule. Check it. I did use the L'Hopital rule. I hope you are aware of it. Okay. Guys, did you all like it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. This is the way to do it. Let us move forward. The answer is 5. How many of you got 5? How many of you got 5? Chennarailu, very good man. All the very best. Do well. I wish you the best. Let me know how much you are getting tomorrow. Okay. Yes, Shruti, it was a very nice question. Okay. But Joel Anant, it will be a very lengthy question. Surendra, just pull it back and watch it slowly. I'm sure you will be able to follow because I did not use anything great. Okay. So this is the next question which I have for you. Guys, how will you solve this question? Let's try to have a look at it. So first of all, they cut each other at right angle. So that means at the point of intersection, the slope of both the tangents at the point of intersection should be minus 1. So first of all, what is the point of intersection? So y power 5 is equal to k. So y is equal to k to the power 1 by 5. So that is your point of intersection. And x will be k to the power 4 by 5. So these are your points of intersection. Now let's find the slope. So you will get what? X derivative is 1 is equal to 4y cube dy by dx. So the slope of first curve is equal to 1 by 4y cube, and I will find it at which point? K to the power 1 by 5. So that is your y, right? So it will be 1 by 4 k to the power 3 by 5. So that is your slope of 1. Slope of 2 will be what? Slope of 2 will be y is equal to k by x. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is your slope of 2. That will be equal to minus k by x square. So it will be m2 will be equal to minus k by x square is k to the power 6 by 5. So that will be minus k to the power minus 1 by 5. So now the product of these two should be equal to minus 1. So that means 1 by 4 k to the power 3 by 5 into minus of 1 by k to the power 1 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cancels. You will get 4 is equal to k to the power minus 4 by 5. Are you all clear with this, everybody? Are you all fine with that? Are you all clear with this? I'm sure you guys are all able to follow till here. Yes? Are you all fine till here? Everybody, I did not do anything great. How many of you are able to follow? Many are not even following, guys. Okay, let me solve it. So guys, first of all, I solve both of them to get the point of intersection. So I got x is equal to y power 4, nah? So plug it in here. So I will get y to the power 5 is equal to k. So y is equal to k to the power 1 by 5 at the point of intersection. Then x will be what? X will be y to the power 4. So which will be k to the power 4 by 5. So that is your x and this is your y at the point of intersection. Let's find the slope of this. The slope of this will be what? 1 is equal to 4y cube dy by dx. So the slope of the first curve is equal to 1 by 4y cube, which is equal to 1 by 4 times of y cube will be k to the power 3 by 5. So this is the first slope. The second slope will be what? The second slope m2 will be, what is the slope of this equation? You will get y is equal to k by x, right? So k by x derivative will be minus k by x square. And I need to find out this value of x, right? So that is where I made a mistake. So let me do it. So k to the power 8 by 5. So that is your m2. Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? So what will be your M2? Your M2 will be minus 1 by k to the power 3 by 5. So now M1, M2 should be equal to what? M1, M2 should be equal to minus 1. So 1 by 4 k to the power 3 by 5 into minus 1 by k to the power 3 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cancels. You will get 1 by 4 k to the power 6 by 5 is equal to 1. Got it? Is that correct, people? So what is k to the power 6 by 5? K to the power 6 by 5 is equal to 1 by 4. Now multiply by 4 both sides. So if I multiply, you will get something nice, right? So let me do it for you. I hope till here everybody has got it. So till here everybody is clear now. That is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 is equal to k to the power 6 divided by 5. Got it? So let's raise it to the power 5. Let's raise it to the power 5. So it will be 1 by 4 to the power 5 is equal to k to the power 6. Now you have to multiply by 4 to the power 6, right? So the answer is 4, I think. Answer is 4, guys. Are you all clear? Answer is 4. Did you all like it? How many of you understood it? It is a very simple question. Okay, it's a very simple question. I just did it step by step so that all of you will follow. How many of you got 4? So if you guys got 4, you are absolutely right. Otherwise, you get a 0. I hope it's an integer question. Everybody clear with it? Every single person has got it. Fantastic job, guys. You're all absolutely amazing. That is the way you do it. Okay. So with that, I think we are done with the questions that I have brought. Is that all? Do I have some more questions? Let me check. Okay, no. So guys, that's about it. I will probably switch it on to Shreyas Sir. I think he'll continue with the physics discussion. So in case you enjoyed the discussion, if you want to be a part of my crash course at Vedantu, then definitely check it out. Because guys, the crash course is super useful. All those students who are excited for the March attempt, if you're all fired up, if you believe, sir, I can do it, the paper was easy, I should have done better, then guys, check this out, because this crash course can help you to score well. Okay, it has a test series also a part of it. The test series are all latest NTA pattern, online tests, along with doubt solving and the best teachers of India taking care of you. The crash course is starting on March 1st. The crash course is starting on March 1st. So now is the right time. I would say go for it today in case your exam is over. And the price is 7,000 for math, physics, chemistry, test series, assignments and notes. Everything put together, it is 7,000 only. For how long? For 3 months. Till your May. February, March, April, May. All your attempts we will take care. So that is our guarantee. In case you guys like it, go for it. And in case you want only the test series is also available for a price of 1,700 if you use the coupon code SJCC. It is SJCC for Shimon Joseph Crash Course. So I have given you the link over here now. I have given you the coupon codes also. Guys, if you want to be a part of my batches, I will be taking a few chapters like I promised in Crash Course. This is my coupon code. You guys can check it out. Okay. So that's about it, guys. In case you have any doubts, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I will move forward. Great. So SJCC is for Shimon Joseph Crash Course. SHCC is Shreyas Sir's coupon code. Guys, you can use either of them. There is no harm in it. Okay. So coming back to the discussion, if you are not part of the Telegram group, please go for it immediately. Okay. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button before you go. How many of you enjoyed the session, guys? Before you go, give me a lot of yours in the chat and let us light it up. I want to see a lot of fire symbol. Some of you are upset. Bharani is upset, I guess. Guys, don't worry. It's okay. Now you have written the test. You can't do anything. Instead, focus on the next one. What is to come? Be of that attitude. Try to do well in the next one. Make it count. Make your days count. From now on to your March 18th. You need to put your full effort. Okay? All the very best, my dear students. Do well in life. I hope you reach your design target. And we will continue to meet again. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. don't forget to hit the like button because we love you and I want to give you guys some fabulous content along with Shreyas Sir and Wasim Sir. So do keep in touch with us and we will meet you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you guys.
Hello everyone, hello, can you hear me loud and clear? This is Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu. Good evening, let's start our physics discussion. This is Shreyas, your master teacher. I not only teach on your favorite channel JEE Enthuse, which is meant for all the English medium students, but also on the regular platform of Vedantu. Hello Mevesh, Ankit, Chandana, Senthil, Antan, Ankit, Ramuji, Aishwarya, Dheeraj. Excellent day. Yes, Naveen Reddy, I love you too. Hello Shruti, hello Nancy, hello Astha. Good evening. Oh, nice dance out there. Wow. Very good. I don't know, Chandana. Let's see. Maybe the next attempt could be harder, could be simpler. It doesn't matter. We have to be prepared for the worst, but we'll hope for the best. All right, that's what it is going to be. Yes, don't worry. Somebody said, please don't forget 2022. Guys, let me assure you one thing. Right now, the 12th standard students are really tensed. So that's why we are conducting all these sessions. But let me tell you guys, you 11th standard people and also the 10th standard to 11th standard moving kids, do not worry. We have not forgotten you. We are going to come up with a lot of sessions for 11th and 10 to 11th, 11 to 12th. All these kids are going to be benefited from this channel. This is a dedicated channel for all the students who want to learn in English medium. Okay, let's get going. Hello Khushi, I took your name. Hello Sakshi, hello Nitish, hello Shruti, Mukul, Bhavana, welcome Khushali, good evening. Alright guys, you can also follow me on Instagram, Shreyas_Vedantu. I will respond to all your queries, doubts that you have, academic, non-academic out there. Also, you can leave a comment below this video in case you want to ask something and you don't have Instagram. I respond to all the queries that you guys ask very sincerely. All right, so let's get going. Hello Aruna, hello Tejas, hello Suprani, hello Mukul, hello Tejas, hello Chibrulu. My God, so many kids out here. Do not forget to hit the like button out there and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. The reason why you need to hit the subscribe button is because you are going to get all these classes for free and you will only get the notification only when you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon out there, else you will be missing out on so many things. And guys, I'm really worried about you because so many questions came from our mock tests, from our sure shot questions, from our regular sessions, And come on, even if you have been attending all our classes on YouTube, for sure direct questions were there, at least 5-6 questions from almost every day, and you would be benefited so much. So I'm really worried, I'm really concerned about you. That's why I'm telling you to subscribe. All right, and guys, come on yaar, there are almost like 256 people watching live. I want more likes. Come on, all the 250 people around. Yes, come on, go hit the like button right now. Yes, let's get going. The difficulty of this paper was moderate, just like the morning paper. The afternoon shift, that's the second shift, was very similar in level of difficulty of the first paper, but if you compare to yesterday, it was slightly on the higher side. But if you compare it to general JEE Mains paper, it was lower. It was not very tough, but I saw a lot of questions from modern physics also in today's session. Now, those of you who do not know about Eklavya program, let me tell you, if you are really confident about today's paper or yesterday's paper, this program is for you, because we are going to start JEE Advanced Preparation for all of you on Vedantu from the best master teachers in the country. And guys, let me tell you, last year from these programs, there were more than 500 Vedantu students who qualified, who cleared JEE Advanced. Yes, from Vedantu alone, more than 500 students qualified from these programs, and the batches are going to start on 8th, 19th March, 1st May and 29th May. You have to fill the form below, and I'll tell you what is the best part. This is for free. Yes, you heard me right, this is for free. Just make sure that you are eligible, and please fill up the form below. So lots of questions, lots of test series, lots of doubt solving, lots of mock tests, lots of discussions are going to happen in this program. We are going to be there till the end, and believe me, last year, because of the pandemic, this program got extended, but unlike other institutes, we kept our word. Even though the exam was in September, we kept on delivering lectures till the end. We didn't think, oh, this is a free course, so why should we do that? No, we kept on delivering to all the students because we are committed to our students. So this is for the 12th or the dropper students who want to write the upcoming JEE Advanced examination. Do not forget to fill the form mentioned in the description box or even in the Telegram group. Join our Telegram group to get all the PDFs, to get all the formulas, all the important notifications, etc. Yes, let's get going. I hope you guys are ready. Here is the first question coming up on your screen. Get ready. So shift 2 discussion has started. Come on guys, focus. Mukul, don't worry, I'll ping you the Telegram link. Now focus on the session. Yes, focus on the session. All right, focus on the session, guys. Come on. If you find anybody spamming, you know what to do. Report. Come on, let's focus on the session. Find the flux through the shaded region due to a charge Q placed at the vertex of a cube. Now, notice the shaded region. It is very interesting because it's based completely on visualization. A similar kind of question was solved during our regular sessions here on JEE Enthuse. This has been slightly modified. So if you have attended those classes, this will be very easy for you. So guys, yes, regular model. When these kind of questions come, first of all, notice this shaded area is opposite, right? It's on the opposite side of that vertex. Okay, so what you need to do is build up a bigger cube. Just visualize, build up a bigger cube, something like this, so that the charge comes out at the center. So that big cube is made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cubes. Can you see that? Look at that. This charge is over here. All right. Look at the cube behind and the one which is below. So there is a shaded area there. So now you have 8 cubes. All right. You have 8 cubes such that they make a bigger cube and the charge is at the center. All right. Now think about this. Okay. So let's do this. See, this charge will create flux. So the total flux from that charge will be Q by epsilon naught, correct? It will be Q divided by epsilon naught. Now that flux will be equally divided on each of these faces, the big face. Look at that big face. And by the way, a similar question came in today's morning shift. So guys, if you are wondering that if I'm going to write the exam tomorrow, should I watch this lecture? Yes, because a lot of questions from day 1 got repeated. conceptually, theoretically or formula wise, and a lot of questions from morning also got repeated in afternoon, or afternoon got repeated in morning. So it's very important, even if you're writing the exam tomorrow or day after, you pay attention to this. Alright, now each of this big face, look at this big face guys, I hope you can visualize this, will have, so flux through a face of that big cube, alright, this will be 1/6 of q by epsilon naught, 1/6, because there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces are there, correct? I hope this is clear. Now, once this is understood, think about this guys. Out of those, just think about any one face of that small cube. Any one face of that small cube. So, there are 4 such faces of the smaller cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, out of this big face, through one small face, so flux through a small face, how much will it be? It will be 1/4 of this, 1/4 of q by 6 epsilon naught, which means it will be q by 24 epsilon naught. Is everybody getting it? Is everybody getting it? Very good, Prash. Very good, very good. Purnam, Pukunkari, come on guys, focus on the session. Focus on the session. Don't worry about languages and other things or CBSE and other stuff. Focus on the session. Yes, don't worry if you are scared. Just ping me on Shreyas_Vedantu. I'll help you out. Don't worry, or leave a comment after the video ends. Now, if this much is clear, okay, now let me tell you one very interesting fact. Oops. Okay, thank God it didn't go away. Let me tell you a very interesting fact. This small face is made of 2 half faces, 1 half face here like this, and 1 half face over here like this. Correct? 1 half face over here like this, 1 half face over here like this. Each half will have half of 1 by 24 q by epsilon naught. Now, do you see guys, do you see there are 2 triangles out here, 2 triangles which are 2 half faces. Do you see there are 2 half faces? So 2 halves make a 1. I hope this is clear. So it's as good as these 2 halves of triangle make one small face, I hope, of that smaller cube. One small cube's this face is made of 2 smaller triangles which are shaded over here. So hence the answer must be q by 24 epsilon naught. Yes, C option. Very good, Prayash. No, Dheeraj. Very good, very good. Some of you got it. Fatima, everyone. Yes. Yeah, this was not there in the diagram. I have drawn it for your understanding, guys. Correct. C is the answer, Sakti. Very good. Yes, Nivedita. Oh, don't worry, Dheeraj. Happens. This was a very good question. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. So, actually, this was the diagram. So, you have to visualize that bigger cube and then think only from one face 1/24th of the total flux will go, and 2 halves will actually make up one face. That is how this has to be done. Yes, Vaidehi, correct. Morning shift was moderate. All right, let's get going to the next one. Now, believe me, this is like projectile motion question only. There is an electron which enters at an alpha angle, okay, and the kinetic energy is Ke1. Then it leaves with some other angle beta and the kinetic energy is Ke2. Find the ratio of Ke1 by Ke2. Let's not worry about these options. Forget about the options. Let's worry about the solution. Your options might be shuffled in different ways depending on where you were and when you wrote it and all that. So it depends on your computer and the software. Okay, so one thing is clear. Between these 2 capacitor plates, all right, the field, electric field will be like this, correct? The electric field will be like this. So there is electric field in the y direction, but what is the electric field in the x direction? It's 0. Between the 2 plates of capacitor, there is no field in this direction. That means the force in the x direction is 0. Correct, guys? There is no force in the x direction. Now, if there is no force, what is not there? Well, isn't it obvious? Acceleration in the x direction is 0. That's why I was telling you this is like projectile motion. Didn't I just tell you? It is something like projectile motion. If acceleration in x direction is 0, that means velocity in the x direction is constant. Yes, correct. Velocity in the x direction is constant. And what is the velocity in x direction? v1, alright, cos alpha 1. So v1 is the velocity here and v2 is the velocity here. Okay, v2 is the velocity there, v1 is the velocity here. So v1's x component will be equal to v2's x component, guys. Is everybody clear about this? Everybody clear? Most of you are giving the answers. Don't worry, guys. There are a lot of people who want to know the solution. So hang on. I'm going to discuss all the questions out there, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, because the only way I'm going to get my energy, because I've not even had my dinner, is through your love, through your support, through your likes. Do not forget to do that. Okay, so I'm going to get v1 by v2 is cos beta divided by cos alpha. But I was asked kinetic energy 1 by kinetic energy 2. So K1 divided by kinetic energy 2, which will be half m v1 square divided by half m v2 square. So half m goes. So it will be v1 by v2 whole square. So it will be cos beta by cos alpha whole square. That's the answer, guys. How many of you got this one? How many of you got this one? Jagdish, hopefully. In fact, it could be even easier. I don't know. All right. All right. So let's get going. How about this? How many of you got this, minions? Let me know in the chat box. This was the correct answer. Ahana says, yes, Sanjay got +4. Yes, very good. AJ also got it. Amazing, Tharinesh. Got it, Sanjay. Very good, Prayash. Yes, Ramuji, very good. Oh, don't worry. Madhula did not get it. Sakti got it. Very good, Shruti. Very good, Satvik. Arun, Reddy, everyone. Very good. Guys, believe me, this question came. Believe me, this question came now. Look at this level of question here. I mean, who tells or who has told you that you cannot score more than 50 marks in physics in JEE Mains? I feel looking at the paper, any Tom, Dick and Harry can score. I mean, look at this level of question here. A cross B is equal to B cross A. Here, A cross B can be equal to B cross A only in one situation, because A cross B is magnitude wise. Okay, magnitude wise, it is A B sine theta. But direction wise, understand, B cross A will be opposite. So this is only possible if sine theta is 0. Otherwise, it is never possible, because usually this is minus. Usually this is minus, the direction wise. So very important thing. So understand. In fact, guys, how many of you watched the tricks which I gave for multiple choice questions on this very own channel of yours? I gave you some 7 to 8 tricks to solve the questions, and I gave you one of the trick was, whenever you read all of the above, most of the times all of the above will be correct. How many of you watched that video? Didn't I tell you? People, I don't know why you don't believe. I mean, when I tell you that these are the tricks and these kind of questions came, that's it, all of the above, guys. Very good, Ahana. Very good, Hardik. Yes, Shruti, very good, Mevish, very good. Shiva, you should watch it then. Fatima has seen it. Sakti also has seen it. Acha, don't worry. So all of the above will be correct, because sine theta will be 0 when theta is 0, or when it is 180, or when it is 360 degrees. All the options are correct. All right. So that's the answer. If the options were different, you accordingly mark it. I am discussing the solution. See, these are based on the memory of our amazing students who are really supportive to all of us. I mean, they have memorized these questions. They have come to us. They are like, sir, these were the questions. Yes, let's help everyone. This is the kind of attitude. This is the nature of the students at Vedantu. And I want every one of you to have these kind of qualities. Let's get going. Yes. Achha, if it was integer, then the answer will be 0, obviously. From 0 to 10, there is only one angle, and that is 0. Okay? Sam, I hope this is clear. So Mukul, check out all the videos in the playlist. There are many videos, tips and strategy, most important topics of physics, most important topics of that subject, this subject, what is the strategy 2 days before the exam, how to overcome laziness, how to get 200 plus in mains, all the formulas of 11th, all the formulas of 12th, everything is given. All right. Now this question was also there in yesterday's shift. Were you there yesterday? If you were there yesterday, then you would remember that this same question, just that instead of 2k it was k. That's it. Same question had come yesterday. So guys, that's why I'm telling, if your shift is even tomorrow, you should attend, because I have a feeling a lot of questions are going to repeat. Ashwin says yes. Yes, Astha, yes, correct. Similar question. These two springs, I told you yesterday, or I don't remember morning shift or what, but it was in parallel, guys. It's in parallel. So that's about it. It's in parallel. So when springs are in parallel, use addition. That's it. So equivalent K, alright, equivalent K is 2K plus 2K, which is 4K. And time period is 2 pi under root m by 4K, which is the K equivalent. That's it. Very good, Shiva Prasad. Excellent. Very good. Excellent, guys. Let's get going to the next one. Okay. So, yes, that's the answer. Very good. Halwa question. All right. Plus 4. B. Very good. Yes. Don't worry, Sriram. Even if it was given in integers, then the answer will be 0. Don't worry. Okay. Then the answer will be 0. How about this? This was one of the easiest question, guys. See, I'll tell you one trick. Do not try to memorize the dimensions of each quantity. Try to remember a formula which relates to these variables. What should you do? Try to relate it to a formula which involves these variables. So, you know what I'm going to do? See this. This entire expression is E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now, this reminds me of force between charges. So, force between charges has r square. So, what I will do, because r square was not there, I'll multiply it by r square. That's it. I'll just multiply it by r square. Okay. Next, 1 by hc is there. Now, I know one more thing. hc by lambda is energy. So, how about putting lambda over here to maintain the equality? Okay, now this is energy, this is force. So, I will get this as force multiplied by r square, and this is nothing but energy, alright, energy, and this is lambda below over here, alright. Now, energy is force into displacement, guys. So, it will become force and into r square upon energy is nothing but force multiplied by displacement and lambda. Now, don't you see, force and force gets cancelled. Displacement has the units of meters square. So, what will happen dimensionally? It will be dimensionless. Correcto. The answer is C, not B. Be careful, Siddharth. Understood, guys? Did you understand how to solve this? Yes, no dimensions gaming. Correct. So, this is the trick for dimensional analysis. What many people do, I have seen this in many books also. What they do? Dimension of E is, dimension of epsilon is. It's such a headache. Do you want to do that? No, remember a formula, na? Which will relate it. Yes, if you remember that formula, that's it. It becomes so easy. Did you see this method? Thank you, Perumal. Thank you, everyone. So, Sanskar, I guess there was no way you can write 180 if the options were between 0 to 10. Alright? Okay. Alright. For integer type, if the limit was from 0 to 10 only, then you cannot even write 180 degrees. Okay? Cool. Now, this question, let's do this. Very good. Ahana is very happy. Thank you, SL, for all the love. Yes, let's do this. Very good, Mr. Best. You're a very good mascot, very good admin, I would say. Okay, now there is a solid sphere and it rolls up a smooth. Was this smooth? Was it mentioned smooth in the examination? Yes. Jaya, maybe yes, maybe not. Guys, I hope you realize the word smooth makes a big difference. The question is maximum distance along the incline. This is a PJ question. What kind of question is this? PJ question. They played with you. Yes, they played you. Played with you. Yes, they really played with you, guys. I'll tell you why. Because if this surface is smooth, there will be no friction. Yes, it will be frictionless. And if it will be frictionless, will omega change? think about it. If it has some omega, I don't know, let's say omega naught, as it comes over here, the velocity will reduce, all right? It will reduce. But think about it, what will happen to omega? Omega will still remain omega naught. Because there is nothing to, yes, there is nothing to retard it angular wise. There is no torque. Remember guys, the normal force will pass through center. mg will also pass through center and they cannot create any torque. So that's why it will, when it reaches on the top, it still has angular velocity, but linear velocity just goes away. And we all know how to solve these kind of questions. Forget the rotational energy, na? Forget the rotational energy, because the kinetic energy of rotation plus half mv square, which is the translational energy, will be, when it goes on the top, it still has rotational energy, but translational energy goes away and only mgh is there. Only potential energy is there. This gets cancelled and you will get V, and M also gets cancelled. So V naught square by 2 is equal to GH. Therefore, H is equal to V naught square by 2G. But that's not the answer. The question is distance along the incline. Distance along the incline. So this is H. This is H. So they have asked you this distance. So that will be H by sine theta. They have asked you H by sine theta. So I think this divided by sine theta, that would be the answer. Is it clear? Very good. Anna says yes. No, Satima, you don't have to do I1 omega 1, I2 omega 2. This is not on angular momentum. Even if you are a 11th standard student, you can still watch it. You can see how the questions are. Very good. Clear, Fatima. Very good, Nalla. Don't worry. Yes, Bhuna, Mukul, Tanushri. Oh, AJ got negative. Don't worry, AJ. I guess you have missed that word smooth and you would have probably marked this. This is the answer you get if the surface was rough. If it was rough, this is the answer that you are going to get. Is that clear? Okay. This is the answer. The only thing is, on the top, the rotational kinetic energy will also vanish if it was rough. Okay? If it was rough, rotational will go away because the friction will take away the rotational energy. That's the only change. Right now, this is the answer. Cool. Let's get going to the next one. All right. So SL, I don't know when the official answer key will come, but whenever it comes, don't worry, we'll notify you. Okay. Now, over here, two small spheres have charges. Let's write down the charges. They have 2.1 nanocoulomb and minus 0.1 nanocoulomb. If you touch them, what will happen? The charges will get distributed. Okay, before I distribute the charges, what is the total charge? What is the total charge? The total charge is 2.1 minus 0.1, which is 2 nanocoulomb. Now, when you touch them, both of them will exchange the charges. They will get equal charges. So, how much charge will they have? 1 nanocoulomb and 1 nanocoulomb. Correct, guys? 1 nanocoulomb and 1 nanocoulomb. Great. Now, the distance between them, a lot of you forgot this. Oh, is the answer A? Check it out, guys. Check it out clearly. Yeah, Bade Nikhil. Yes. Thank you, Abhishek, for all the love. The distance between them, how much is it? It's 0.5 meters. So, guys, what will be the force? What will be the force between them? All right, whatever. Oh, it's going to be repulsive. My bad. Okay, sorry. This is going to be repulsive in nature. All right, so it's going to be repulsive in nature. What will be that force? That force will be K, which is into Q square divided by distance square. Now just do this math, guys. Come on. K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. All right, 9 into 10 to the power 9. Charge square, which is 10 to the power minus 9, because that's nano whole square divided by 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square. Check it out. How much is it going to be? How much is it going to be? 0.5 is 1 by 2. All right, 0.5. Oh, did I not tell you the ignore the powers of 10 trick? How many of you watched that video? This is based on that. Did you just see that? Did you see that trick which I had given? The 7-8 tricks which I had given. One of the trick was ignore the powers of 10. Don't have to calculate anything. So 0.5 is half. So half square is 1 by 4. 4 into 9. How much is it? 36. Yes, 36. Where is 36 in the answer? This is the trick. Guys, if you have been following my channel regularly, you will be able to solve the questions in seconds, and this is a trick which I have given. Ignore the powers of 10. If you have not watched it, watch it, because you have missed a lot if you have not. Alright, very good, very good. Ashwin says yes. Kola also says yes. I hope you guys use this trick. Yes, obviously Richu, it will help you in NEET also. Very good Papi Reddy, very good Fatima, excellent. AJ says +4, very good. Oh my god, SL, don't worry, don't worry. Very good Surendra. Excellent, excellent. Thank you Asta so much. Yes, why have I found total charge? Because the charge will get distributed, na? That's why. Okay Sam, is that clear? Thank you for all the love. Alright, let's get going to the next one. Two masses have same energy. V2 is 2V1, then find the ratio of the momentum. Let's do this. So, ratio of the momentum has been asked. Okay, kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy is equal to, okay, half mv square. Okay, I don't want mass because the masses are different. Let's get rid of this. What is mass? Because momentum is mass into velocity. Mass is momentum divided by velocity. So why not put P by V over here, and this will become V square. Therefore, kinetic energy will become half, alright, P into V. Now very important thing, they have same kinetic energy. That means P1 V1 will be P2 V2. Therefore, P1. So what have they asked? Find the ratio of the momentum. P1 by P2 will be, looks like Boyle's law, but it is not, believe me. Okay, is V2 by V1, and V2 by V1, look at that, V2 by V1, from there, look over here, V2 by V1, bring V1 downstairs, bring V1 downstairs, what will it be? 2 divided by 1, and that should be the answer. Is that clear? Very good Prash, very good Arun. Asta, I'm not sure why you're laughing so much. I'm guessing you did not get anything or you got everything. Alright. So that's the answer, guys. Option C. That's correct. Very good Saitama. Very good Nirmal. Excellent. Fatima says clear. So easy. Yes. This was a trick to solve it. Alright. Okay. Okay. Yes. Very, very easy. Thank you, Shivam. Love you too. Yes. 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 Dheeraj says +4. Very good. Very good. Let's do this. Next one. Find the ratio of currents I1 and I2. Guys, I couldn't believe that this question came here. I mean, even when I was solving these questions before entering the studio, I was like, really? I mean, like, what? What were they even thinking, like, before making these questions? Find the ratio of I1 by I2. I think the circuit is not yet complete. I think the current goes out like this. Okay, the current comes in from here and it gets divided. I mean, guys, look at this. The total resistance of this branch. What is the total resistance? Is it 4 ohms? And this resistance, check it out, it's 2 ohms. What will be I1 by I2? It will be resistance of 2 upon resistance of 1. It's inversely related, inverse in parallel circuits. Do you see this is parallel circuit? It is inversely related. Correct, guys? That's it. R2 by R1. So R2, a resistance of this is basically 2. R1 is 4. That's going to be 1 by 2. That's it. Option A should be correct. Yes. So inversely related. Remember, this is R2, this is R2, this is R2, and this is R1. Alright? So be careful. Inversely related. Yes, be careful. If your mark 2:1, gone, 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 gone. And this 6 amperes is useless. What will you do with it? What are you going to do with it? Shejal, don't worry, watch these videos because most of the questions might also get repeated conceptually, and I have been seeing the trend. Morning is getting repeated in afternoon. Yesterday's papers are getting repeated today. So many questions were common conceptually at least. Yes, I hope this is clear. This is useless. This 6 ampere is useless. I hope this is very clear. This was, yeah, inversely related. I mean, like, what the hell? Okay, cool. Let's get going. Yeah, option A is correct. All right. Now, this was good one. This was good one. This will decide whether you are a topper or not. Okay. So, forget the options, guys. These were the options. Let's not worry about them. But first, let's try to understand, because the framing of the question is very tricky. You need to visualize this. Okay. Let's do this. There is a stone which is released from the top, okay, of a building of some height h. So, that blue one out there, I hope you can see it, is the height of the building. Okay. So this is h, which is the height of the building. Cool. Now, it is mentioned that when the stone is dropped, okay, so when you drop that stone, okay, cool, then when it comes down by 5 meters, when it comes down by 5 meters, then from 25 meters below the top of the building, very important, from 25 meters, this is 25 meters, below the top of the building, you drop, all right, you drop another stone, from there. Now, this has been already dropped, it reaches here. At this time, you drop the red stone. Now, this stone already has some speed, so you know they will catch up to each other and they reach the ground at the same time. That's what is happening. Okay, so this is the whole scenario. I hope this is clear. So the remaining height will be h minus 25 meters. All right, this will be h minus 25 meters. And over here, this will be h minus 5 meters from here to here. It will be h minus 5 meters. Okay. Now, let's do one thing. Let's try and find the speed over here. I think I'll need it. I'll tell you why. So, the speed over here, okay. So, let's say I assume it as v1 will be found out using this equation. v1 square is u square plus 2 into 10 into 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10. That will be 10 square. Therefore, v1 will be 10 meters per second. So, that is the speed of that stone after coming down by 5 meters. I hope this is clear. Yes, I hope this is clear. Now, let's try to think. Time from here to here is same as time from here to here. What did I say? Time to go from here to here is same as time taken from here to here. The times are same. Okay, that's what is given. So, when this stone reaches here, this red stone is dropped and they both reach the ground at the same time. So, that's why time from here to here is same. Keep this in mind. Cool. Now, for the red stone, all right, what will be my equation? S is ut plus half at square using the second kinematic equation. Okay, so h minus 25 will be ut plus half into a into t square. That is for the red stone. Okay, similarly guys, from here to here for this black stone, it will be h minus 5 is equal to ut. Okay, be careful, u is there, that is u is v1, which is 10 multiplied by t plus half into 10 into t square. Now, what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'll subtract them. Subtract guys. So, subtracting. So, subtract both of them. So, you will have h minus 25, alright, minus h minus 5 is equal to 0 minus 10t. Okay, these two terms will get cancelled. So, plus 0. Half into 10 into t square, half into 10 into t square. I hope this is clear. Hello Apollo, hello Abhishek, join in. Don't worry Ramuji, I'm just showing you how to solve this. This will become minus 10t and this will become h minus h 0 and this will be minus 25 plus 5, which will be minus 20. Minus minus goes, time will be 2 seconds. Now the only thing remaining is use it anywhere. Let's say I use it over here. Okay, let's say I use it over here. So what will I get? H minus 25 is equal to 0 plus half into 10 into 2 square. So one of them goes. So you will have this as 20. So h minus 25 is 20. That means h is 45 meters. Take 25 over there. 20 plus 25 is 45. Understood guys? Very good Harish. Excellent Benz. Yes, very good Prash. Alright, I hope this is clear. Very good Manoj. Very good Aishwarya. Very good. Ahana. Excellent. Okay, don't worry AJ. Ramoji got plus 4. Yes. This is a good question. Yes, Richu, I agree with you. Yes, excellent. So that's the answer. Did you love my explanation? Guys, if you're loving all these things, can't you do at least one simple thing? I'm asking one simple thing. Why can't you share this video? Why can't you get more students? Why can't you get all your friends on this channel? Because this is a very unique channel, let me tell you. See, there are a lot of good Hindi channels across our country on YouTube, no doubt about it. Many people are doing good work, but I don't see many English channels because there are so many English schools, there are so many people studying in English. So what do we have for them? That's why we have started this channel. So I feel it's your moral responsibility because you're learning here for free. One thing I'm asking you, why can't you get your entire school? Why can't you get your entire classmates? Why can't you tell your juniors? Why can't you tell your relatives, your cousins? Come on, let's make this family grow. Today only we have crossed 20K and we have to make this channel grow. The only reason we will come over here is only if this channel grows, only if you give us a lot of love and only if you give us a lot of support. That's what is important. So if you're not yet liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button out there. Let's go ahead to the next question. Very good, Bande. Very good, Ojasvi. Thank you so much. Yes, KRP, correcto. Thank you, Bhuvna. Thank you so much. Very good, VBR. Thank you so much. Thank you, Venku. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Fatima. All right. Yashwant, I think he's a little bit caught up, so that's why he couldn't come. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Galaxy. Yes, Shiva, let's do this. Let's do this. Find the truth table of this following logical circuit. This was the circuit. Let's do this. Okay. Don't worry about the options. Looks confusing. Okay. Let's do this. I've created a small table for all of you. Okay. You're going to love this explanation, guys. Trust me. Okay. Let's do this properly. Kuch nahi hai. Nothing difficult. Okay. So this is A. So one side is A. Oops. Okay. Okay. This is A. This B, there is a NOT gate. That means whatever B is, it will be inverted. So I'll put it as B bar. Bar means inverted. This is A. This is A bar. A bar is going here. Okay. And this B is going there directly. Okay. Cool. Now from here, let's say this output is C, this output is D. So C and D are coming over here and whatever output will come, this will be C or D and that will be inverted. So Y is nothing but the opposite. That dot stands for the negation. If it is 1, it will become 0. If it is 0, it will become 1. So Y is inversion of C or D. That's what it is. Thank you, Ahana, so much. Very good, Abhishek. You learned this in maths. Excellent. Thank you, VBR, so much. Thank you, Yashwant. Very good, Arun. All right, let's do this. So I'll write all these numbers. A bar, B bar, C plus D. What else? Oh, no. I need C also. Okay, I need C, I need D, and I need C plus D. And this Y is C bar plus D bar. Okay, cool. What is A bar? Whatever is A, opposite of that. So if A is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. B, 0, 1, 1, 0. Opposite, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, fine. Everyone fine till here? Very good, very good. Kevin learned it in computer science. Excellent. Yes, thank you, Nitesh, so much. All right. So now C. What is C? And of A plus B bar. And. It's an and. It's like a conjunction. This and this. This also is true. This also is true. Only then it is true. Whenever you use the word and, even in English, what does it mean? This and this both are true. Only then the entire statement is true. When it is or, either this or this, any one of them are true, then you're okay with it. Correct. So C is A and B bar. A and B bar. Look at this. Concentrate on this table and this table. 0 and 1, 0. And this is and. Please keep this in mind. This is an and gate. Okay. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, 0. Is that clear? Okay, that's C. Now let's slowly go to D. Let's go to D, guys. D is A bar and B bar. A bar and B, my bad. A bar and B. So look at this. This and this. 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 0, 0. Is that clear? Everyone clear about this? Excellent, guys. Now C plus D. C plus D. This is OR gate. OR. So either this or this. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1. One of them is true. 1 or 0, one of them is true. 0 or 0, 0. Last one, it's the negation of that, negation. So 0's opposite 1, 1's opposite 0, 1's opposite 0, 0's opposite 1. That's it, done, done, done. Is it done, done, done? Understood? That's it, 1, 0, 0, 1. How simple is it? Isn't it logical? Did you have fun, guys, solving this? It's like solving a puzzle. At least I enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy it? Let me know. Yes, Harihara says yes, very good. Yes, Master says Kevin. All right, looking so good. Look at this, 1, 0, so funny it is looking. It's like solving a Sudoku puzzle or something. Yes, that's the answer, option A, correcto. Enjoying, Abhishek. Very good, Venku. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Absolutely, says Rojasvi. Very good, very good. Done, done, done. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Okay, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, there is a traveling wave, okay? There is a traveling wave. The particle is at x equals to 0, okay? That means on the y-axis, and it is undergoing SHM given by this equation. The particle is at half the amplitude at some time initially, okay? Moving towards negative y direction, find the value of phi naught. Very interesting question. Let's do this. This is also a very good question. Okay, so I'll tell you what. First, let's draw the diagram, guys. Let's first think about the diagram. So it's going in the y-axis. Come on, man. Let me choose. Yeah, black color. Okay, so this is our, oops. Okay, I'm not comfortable today on this board because I'm in the studio. Usually I take my classes from home and I'm really comfortable with the board at home. So today the board is different, so I'm not able to draw those perfect straight lines which you usually praise me for. Okay, anyways, so this is x equals to 0 and also y is equal to 0, and it goes till here. This is y is equal to plus a, and this is y is equal to minus a. It's going as like this, up and down like this. The y equation is given. Okay, the particle is at y is equal to a by 2. All right, so the particle is over here. The particle is over here. Y is equal to a divided by 2, but it is going towards negative y direction. That's very important. It's going down like this. The velocity is over here. Okay, so this is where the velocity vector is. Very good. Now think about it. I can use directly this equation. Let's see, what do I get? Y is a by 2. Use directly that equation. Y is given to be a by 2 when time is 0. A sine initially. So omega multiplied by 0. Initial. This is only because it is initial. Plus phi naught, correct? Okay. So this will become half is equal to sine phi naught. So what is phi naught? There are two angles, 30 degrees or 150 degrees. Yes, both are possible. Both are possible. Be careful. But yes, you hit that correct nail, Athar. Very good. It's going down, correct. So no, this is pi by 6, this is 5 pi by 6. Pi by 6 will be if it is going there. 5 pi by 6 will be if it is coming down. How? Don't worry, I'll tell you that also. Velocity equation will be, instead of this, it will be a omega cos, instead of sine, it will be cos omega t plus phi, correct? Plus phi. Only if you put 150 degrees, only then you will get the answer as negative. Don't believe me? Try it out. It will be a omega cos omega multiplied by 0 plus 150 degrees. Isn't this an obtuse angle? Isn't this obtuse angle? What is the cos of an obtuse angle? What is the cos of an obtuse angle, guys? Isn't it negative? So isn't the velocity also negative? So if the velocity is negative, where is it going? Is it not going down? I hope this is clear. This is, Abhishek, it's I think not mentioned over here, but I'm assuming that this is at t is equal to 0. That was given in the question, all right? That's why. Yes, initially, or it was mentioned, or initially word would have been used. Okay, so that's why. I hope this is clear. Now is it understood? So that's why the correct answer will be 150 degrees, which is 5 pi by 6. I hope this is clear. Even if it was negative x, then and this equation was in x, then just flip the diagram. One and the same thing, doesn't matter. I hope this is clear. Okay, I hope this is clear. Yes, so if you put 150 degrees, then the angle inside will be obtuse, only then cos of an obtuse. All silver teacups, you know that in second quadrant cos is negative, so that's why you will get negative answer. But if you put 30 degrees over here, you will get acute angle. Cos of an acute angle is positive, the velocity will be positive, but that is not true. It's given the velocity is negative. Yes, I hope this is clear. VBR, my Instagram ID is mentioned here only, Shreyas_Vedantu. Okay, let's get going. I hope yellow guy, now you understood. Okay, cool, let's get going. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Arbaz, I feel it will be normal only, whatever it is to be before this. I think the cutoffs are neither going to increase nor decrease. Cool. Now, for this question, just understand one simple thing. The message signal is having frequency FM. The modulated is modulated and it is sent through a carrier signal. The carrier signal frequency is mentioned. Now, if this is your amplitude modulated wave, this frequency, alright, this frequency is basically of the carrier wave, and that's what matters. And the carrier wave frequency is given to be Fc. So actually speaking, the wave speed is the carrier wave frequency into the wavelength and into the wavelength. Find the wavelength of the signal. Guys, the wavelength of the signal will be C by Fc. Where is it? It's option A. That's it. Is it clear? I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Everybody understood this? That's it. Very simple. It's very small. Well, the frequency of the signal frequency will be here. So this is your signal, and that signal frequency, yes, that signal frequency FM will be much smaller than Fc. So that is irrelevant. That is that envelope which will be formed on that. I hope this is clear. Clear? Sakti says yes. Prayash also says yes. Aishwarya says yes. Very good. Yes, direct question. Yeah, no need of thinking too much. Yes, correct. Shall we go ahead now? Yes, minions, let me know. A is the answer. Now this one is based on theory. So both the statements are wrong, guys. There are 3 equal degrees of freedom for translation and rotational motion. Wrong. There are not 3 degrees of rotation. There are only 2 degrees of rotational. So 2 degrees of rotational in case of diatomic. So statement 1 is false. As simple as that. So if statement 1 is false, obviously C is the correct answer. You don't even have to look at the second statement. As simple as that. Why do you want to look? And even if you want to look, rotational motion of diatomic follows Maxwell distribution. No, only the translation follows the Maxwell distribution. Rotational will not follow. Correct? Yes, that's it. That's the correct answer. So let's get moving to the next one coming up on your screen, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Correcto. Now for this process, oh, this question also got repeated. In yesterday's session, the work done was asked. Do you remember this? Yes, work done was asked in yesterday's session. So if you have attended my session yesterday, that's it. You will easily get this. You will easily get this. That's it. So guys, I'll tell you what to do. In fact, this is much easier than yesterday's paper. This question. It's much easier. I'll tell you what to do. PV raised to half is constant, right? So let's play with this. What is pressure? Pressure is nRT by V. Correct? Pressure is nRT by V using gas law. Whole into V raised to half is a constant. Okay, cool. So n is a constant, r is a constant. So I'll get T. V raised to half by V is V raised to half. Correct, guys? This is root V. Believe me, this is nothing but like root V. Come on. Okay, so root V goes, 1 root V remains, if you want to write it like this. And this will be a new constant because this is nothing but constant divided by nr, guys. Alright, so that means temperature is directly proportional to root V. Done, done then. T2 by T1 will be equal to root of V2 by V1, and V2 is this one, I guess. Yes. Okay, I think there is yeah. V2 is this one. Yes, V2 is this one. This is V2, I guess. Just check this out. This is V2. I hope this is clear. Yes. Is it option C or is it option D? Check this out. Okay, this is V2, and if V2 is V1 by 2, V2 by V1, V2 by V1, think about it, it will be 1 by root 2. Check this out. Okay, sorry, my bad. 1 by root 2. Check this out. Yes, Aishwarya says D. So, hi, I'm not sure which part you did not understand. Instead of P, I have put nRT by V. That's it. Rest is just mathematics. I've used gas law. So, this is using gas law. PV is equal to nRT. That's it. Now, that's about it. And in the question, this volume was double of this. This was P2. This was P1. Just check, guys, once. Yeah. I hope this is clear. V1 by... so, I'm finding T2 by T1. T2 by T1. T2 by T1. Abhishek, not V1 by V2. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Yes. Then the option correct will be D. Yes. That's it. Yes. Correct, guys. Let's get moving to the last question. Yes, this is the last question, I guess. This is an X-ray photon of certain wavelength 10 Armstrong and a particle of mass x by 3 which has the same energy. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Zubin, I am guessing 180 will be on the lower side. Matlab, you will not get the top branches in NIT. I have a feeling you will get something, but not a top branch in top NIT for sure. Alright, let's get going to the next one. So guys, X-ray photon. So a photon, how much energy does it have? hc by lambda, correct? Okay. Particle of mass has some energy. Use E is equal to energy, mc square. So that particle will have this much energy, which is mc square. One of the c goes off. Okay, and the question is, this mass is x by 3. This mass is x by 3. So therefore, x will be equal to 3h divided by lambda c. 3h divided by lambda c. I think now it should be clear. Yes. So 3, you have to keep the answer in terms of h. Lambda is 10 Armstrong, I believe, somewhere. Yes. 10 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. 3 by, this will become 10 to the power minus 9 and 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power minus 1. So 10 goes on the top. So this will become 10h. Just check this out. 10h. Oh, the answer is already here. My bad. Okay. So Ashraf, maths is over. So you'll have to replay the entire session once this video ends. Yes, once this video ends. Correct. So that's it. It's very simple. X is 10h. Guys, do not forget the Eklavya batch is starting on 8th and 19th March and 1st May and 29th May. Do not forget to hit the description box, check out the link and enter your details. And guys, we have test series for the next, attempt. I'll tell you more about it. So one option is you can either join the test series, only test series and discussions and doubts during the test series. Second option for all the students of the next attempt, we have a crash course also. And that crash course contains regular classes of all 11th and 12th standard in a short duration. It's a crash course, of course. All the concepts will be revised, all the problems will be solved, and there will be a class teacher along with the master teacher like me who will be solving all your doubts inside the class. And after the class, whenever you get a doubt, you can ping and you can ask in our doubt section. Alright, there are people waiting, there are subject experts who are trained for this, who will be solving all your doubts from morning till evening. Imagine a dedicated person for you, personal attention. And also you have 20 test series, yes, full syllabus and part syllabus included. And this will come with discussion, not just 4-5 questions discussion, but all questions will be discussed. It's not like many coaching institutes which just discuss 5 or 6 questions out of 30 questions. No. One more important thing you should note, these crash courses are there in 2 languages. One is Hindi, which is Hindi plus English, and there is pure English batch as well. So I feel since you're already on this channel, I'm guessing you will be more interested in the English crash course. So do not forget to join in the English crash course. You just have to click on the link and join. That's it. Automatically you will be asked after a few days, once you enroll, which batch do you want, English or Hindi, and you choose English. That's it. And the timing will be every day from afternoon till night, Nancy. So every day 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, maths. Every week 1 test. Yes, that's how it will be. Yeah. So you will be having all these things starting from 1st March. Do not forget, it's starting on 1st March. Yes, the paper was easy. Yes, the paper was easy, but not very difficult. And you can join the crash course for 30% off. This will definitely go up to 8,000. That is only 20% discount by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. For sure, it's going to go up. So use this opportunity by using this coupon code SHCC. I'm telling you telling it for your benefit. If you want to pay 1,000 extra, it's okay, guys. But right now it's at 3,000 rupees off. So do not forget to check out the link in the description box below. And if you all loved it, please hit the like button and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And for all those of you whose exam is tomorrow, all the very best. All my blessings are with you. JEE Enthuse is always with you. And tomorrow we'll meet again. I have maybe at 1:30 or 2 o'clock for the morning discussion, and again at 7 or 7:30 in the evening for the afternoon discussion. So see you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. Keep coming like this. Keep growing the channel. Thank you and have a lovely night. Sleep well. Take rest. Do not worry. We are here. Bye bye, guys. This was Shreyas here, your master teacher for physics at Vedantu, and I was going live from the studios in Bangalore. Bye bye.